Climate change occurs when greenhouse gases build up in our atmosphere and trap heat that might otherwise escape, causing shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns over time. 97% of climate scientists agree that human-driven climate change is taking place right now. Fairfax County is not immune to the effects of climate change. We already experience stronger storms related to climatic shifts. A single severe storm in 2019 cost Fairfax County taxpayers $14 million. That's money that could have been spent on other county services, programs, and projects. Extreme weather events pose a safety risk and can cause serious damage to personal property and real estate. The choices we make today will have a significant impact on our lives and the lives of our children and grandchildren, economically, socially, and environmentally. We each have a responsibility to reduce the risks posed by climate change. Taking action now is the right thing to do for our future. You can be a part of the solution. Fairfax County is currently developing a community-wide Energy and Climate Action Plan, or CCAP. Every county resident can help to turn this plan into action. Learn more about climate action in Fairfax County and become a part of the solution. Visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov and search for CCAP.